Hey there YouTube, Capital City Hockey here, and today we've got a 2016-17 Black Collection box by Upper Deck. Get right into it. So yeah, we get 5 cards in this box. I'm having some pretty good luck with these Black Collections, so picked up another one. So, starting it off at our base card, we've got a Sam Bennett, numbered 53 out of 299. Very beautiful card. Our second, we've got our Lustrous Rookies, Anthony Beauvillier, numbered 13 out of 299. Beautiful card. He had a good season. So, ooh, that's a big card. Got an Obsidian Signatures of Andrei Vasilevsky. Oh my god. Wow. Obsidian Signatures Auston Matthews patch card. Oh my god. I don't know what to say. That is amazing. And our last card, we've got, I think, Jesse Puljujärvi. Yeah, Puljujärvi patch card. 2 colors. Very beautiful card, but I gotta show that again. Oh my. Wow. That's a huge card. Oh my god. Get a quick little overhead shot. Oh my god. Wow. With the gold writing too. Beautiful card. Oh my god. So yeah, that was the 2016-17 Black Collection by Upper Deck. It's unbelievable box. We'll see you guys next time. Take care.